from the front. Getting off my driveway and just pointing down the street. And just the fogs with the low beams. So these oh my god, diode dynamic fog lights have DRLs hooked up to them. So I'm finally attaching that loose wire right here for the DRLs to work, and I think I figured out what wire it is, so I'll try to show you guys too, just in case you guys want to do the same thing. I think I figured out the right one. So unplug the wire. Now there's this really thin wire. This one over here is let me see if I don't know how dark it is. It's dark for me, but this thinnest wire right here, this blue wire with a red line, that's the one that we're gonna connect to right now. That should be the one that has the current running for those DRLs. This one right here. You guys can see the one that I'm actually holding. Okay. And then we'll splice one of these little connections and turn it on. Okay. Should be connected on. Okay, now we're gonna grab the little connection that comes out from the Diode Dynamics one and plug it in. Alright, should be plugged in all the way. Now we'll just connect it to the back to the headlights. Alright, now it should turn on with the DRLs. Yep. So those look pretty clean. The good thing about those two is that they actually match, for instance, these side lights. They'll also match my blinkers. Turn the blinkers on. Not so much actually, but close enough. Okay. Turn on the fogs. And they still turn on. Turn on the headlights. The high beams. Oh, fudge. That's right. Okay. Alright, cool. Now that I connected that little wire from boostautoparts, now I'm able to have my fog lights with my highlights without it turning off my fog lights if I turn on my highlights. Highlights off, fog lights are still on. That's with my fog lights on, but highlights are off. But if I turn on my highlights, my fogs will come on. But I could turn on my fogs without my highlights.
lights really come in handy. Yeah, I know in the video it doesn't look as foggy, but in person, you can't really see nothing. But yeah, those yellow lights from Diode Dynamics, really good quality.